What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a professional minimalistic looking logo using Canva, a free and user-friendly design tool. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, use the search bar at the top and type in logo. Canva will display various size options. Choose the 500 by 500 pixels option, which is perfect for most logo designs. If you want to use a pre-made design, browse through Canva's library of templates. Find one that matches your style and click on Customize this template. From there, you can replace the placeholder text and elements with your own. Adjust the text size, color and placement to make it unique. But if you prefer to create your logo from scratch, click Create a blank canvas. On this blank workspace, let's start by adding text. Click on Text in the toolbar on the left, where you'll find various font combinations. Pick one that matches the personality of your logo: bold for strength, elegant for sophistication, or playful for creativity. Once added, double-click the text to type your desired name or initials. Resize it by dragging the corners or adjusting the font size at the top menu. To make the logo more dynamic, let's add some graphical elements. Go to Elements in the toolbar and search for shapes, like a circle or a square. Drag it onto the canvas, resize it, and change its color by clicking on the color icon at the top left. To layer it behind your text, right-click on a shape, hover over Layer and select Send to Back. Another technique is to incorporate lines or decorative details. For example, search for line in Elements and choose one that fits your design. Adjust its position, size and color to complement your logo. To layer it properly, right-click on a line and bring it forward or backwards as needed. A simple but effective design approach is to use a single bold letter. Start by adding a text element and typing the initial of your brand or name. Resize it and change its color. Then add a shape, like a gradient circle, from Elements. Place the text on top of the shape and adjust the size so that the letter slightly overlaps the edges of the shape for a clean, modern look. Once your logo looks exactly how you want it, click on Download in the top right corner. Choose the file type that suits your needs. PNG is great for most purposes, especially if you want a transparent background. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.